What's good, Facebook? I'm calling my cousin Chastity on the phone.
Hi. Let me tell you that. I'm talking on the phone.
Alright. See, Chastity, you're on my camera till you call me back. You better call me back. I'm posting a video saying why you didn't call me back. But anyway, what's up, Facebook? Everybody out there, this your boy Ty checking in again. I'm up here just to talk about. Well, I have one a story that I had to really talk about, and I heard it today, and I feel like it's very sad. And my heart goes out to the girl. It was a young girl. I don't know how old she was. I'm assuming she was about my age, teenager. You know what I'm saying? 2019, 2018, whatever. She was young. She was a virgin, and she got it with this man, and also he treated her into having sex. She had full-blown AIDS. He had full-blown AIDS, and he gave her the disease. Like I said, it was so sad, and I felt like, I just feel like all my videos I talk about, and I heard that, I was like, dang, I just talked about that like a couple of weeks ago, and I felt like that was just so sad. But like I said, that should let everybody know, be protective, and do not sleep with stranger people you don't know, because everybody out there ain't clean. Just because you look good, and you know what I'm saying, on the outside, on the inside could be just as dirty. People are just out there just dirty. So like I said, stay protective, everybody. And I'll preach it again. I know people got to say you make a lot of videos on this, but I just got to keep it 100 and keep it real. And like I said, I didn't go back on my Keep It 100 video. People still talking about that video, still like that video. I'm like, dog, look like Ty, you is crazy keeping it 100. And then I know one girl, she said, hey, Mr. Keeping It 100. I was like, hey, how you? And so she was like, so who was you talking about in that video? I was like, girl, nobody. I'm just keeping it, like, saying how I feel. But she was like, oh, but you was keeping 100 though, because it's like that in my hood too. I was like, yeah, she from Fayetteville. So shout out to you, baby. What's your name? I didn't get your name, but shout out to you, you know. But like I said, and I know another thing too, another girl, Crystal sent me a message too. She's from Spring Lake, Spring Lake somewhere. She was like, it's fake people everywhere you go, and people are not for you. Crystal, you right, baby. It's fake people. It is fake people everywhere you go, and a lot of people ain't for you. So, like I said, this is a part 2 of the video, or I'm just saying how I felt. Like I said, it's a point in time in everybody's life where you have to wing your way from that drama and negativity, because we're all grown, or going soon to be grown. We're good at live to see, soon to be grown, and it's a time for us to change. Because if we don't change for the younger generation, they're gonna see us how we act now, and they're gonna want to act the same way. We need to stop all this now. So I'm saying, like, because it's not worth it, and it's childish. So like I'm saying, if you look at this video and you like it, you know what I'm saying, just listen to the words of the, even the first part about the girl, the young female, over this drama part, because it's childish. You know what I'm saying, people that smile on your face ain't for you always. They're not, you know what I'm saying, they're just not for you. I'm saying, people it's people out there that want to see you down, people that don't want to see you make it, and them the ones that you have to wing yourself away from. That's why I'm glad I'm the type of person I am. Like, I can tell a fake person. That's just me. If I meet you and I feel that you're fake, I could tell it. I won't show it, but my mind is telling me, oh, this person so they fake. So I said, I still talk to you, boy, and just smile, but we won't be at the top where we just close and click. Like I'm saying, because I just feel like I'm 20 years old, graduated from high school, and why would I still be wanting drama? That's high school, middle school, elementary stuff. There's people still carrying on and around now. They're older, or, you know what I'm saying, the same age. I'm saying, just let the mess go and it's childish. Life is too short, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy life while you can, because, you know what I'm saying, some people could be here one day and go on the next, like I said in my other video, which I not posted on YouTube yet. But you just never know. Even though it's people out there don't care, and there's always gonna be people out there that's gonna talk. Like I said, they talk about Jesus Christ, of course they're gonna talk about you. So let it go. If you worry about what people say about you, you're living a miserable life. I'm telling you. Why would you worry? I'm not about to kill myself worry about what so-and-so said about me. Why? But everybody's not like me. Everybody don't think like me. And there's people out there that's going to worry about what people say. So like I said, I'm going to get back at you. And I had to talk to Chastity on the line, but she's busy. So Chastity, call me back. If you don't come back, get another video telling you why you didn't call me back. Listen, love y'all. And shout out to Shahana. All my friends out there. Love y'all. And your roommate too, Shauna. So, one, better take a shower. I'm making another when I get out the shower. So, hit you up. Bye.